Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for your device, all you will need to do is press power button and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. So click both of them at the same time, like so. You have the flash, along with the pop-up with share and edit options and just a screenshot being visible right here. And as you've seen, after a moment it does disappear. So once it does so, you can open up your gallery application. And by default, you will be located in the Pictures tab, which would normally show you the screenshot. But if you want to find it later on down the line, it might be easier to go into the Albums tab and here select Screenshots album. And obviously in this album you'll find just screenshots that I have captured over the time of using this device. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.